Hey, welcome to another Tech Brothers video. Today we are going to talk about a new flagship from Sony called Xperia XZ3 and compare it with the flagship killer Xiaomi Poco F1. Sony announced its new smartphone at IFA 2018. As you know, the Japanese company releases flagships once or twice a year, while Xiaomi can produce 3, 4 or even more flagship devices in a year. We already compared Poco F1 with Xiaomi Mi 8 and Poco device looks even better. But what about Sony Xperia XZ3? Is it worth paying more than twice for a new Sony flagship, or Poco F1 will be a good option for its price? Let's find out. Sony is always doing an excellent job on the design of mobile devices, and Xperia XZ3 looks amazing. First, I want to note that there is no notch above the display, and it is very good for me. The smartphone has curved edges on sides, just like Galaxy S9. There is a special feature called Side Sense. You can tap anywhere along the length of the sides and get menu with most used applications. The back and front panels are covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. If we talk about rear panel, there is only one camera sensor, flashlight and fingerprint reader. Among other features are USB Type-C port, NFC and stereo speaker. It's a pity, but Xperia XZ3 hasn't 3.5mm audio jack. As for Poco F1, it has cheap plastic body. The front panel doesn't differ much from many other Android phones in 2018. There is a notch above the display and thin bezels on sides. The back panel has dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. Also, Poco F1 has 3.5mm audio jack and USB Type-C port. There is no NFC. Sony Xperia XZ3 is an expensive smartphone, so it has premium and stylish design. Definitely it receives the first point in this comparison. As long as I remember, Sony flagships always have 2K displays. It was surprising a couple of years ago, but even today only some mobile devices have 2K displays. Xperia XZ3 comes with 6-inch diagonal 2K resolution, 1440 by 2880 pixels, about 537 pixel density and 18:9 aspect ratio. However, the screen-to-body ratio is little lower than Poco F1, 80.5% against 82%. The Pocophone has 6.18-inch diagonal and Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2246 pixels, and pixel density is 403 ppi. Anyway, Xperia XZ3 has much better display thanks to P-OLED panel, HDR technology, X-Reality engine and many other features. Sony is a leader on TV market, so it knows how to make high-quality panels. Another point to Sony Xperia XZ3. Xiaomi Poco F1 is more than twice cheaper Xperia XZ3, but it is powered by the same flagship chipset Snapdragon 845. Poco F1 has even more RAM and internal memory. You can choose from 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 64, 128 or 256 gigs of storage. Xiaomi phone supports microSD memory cards up to 256 gigs. As for Xperia XZ3, it comes in a single configuration with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. The phone supports microSD memory cards up to 512 gigs. By the way, Xperia XZ3 runs on Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, while Poco F1 has Android 8.1 Oreo. Xiaomi promises to release update to Android 9 by the end of the year. Of course, much depends on system optimization, but on paper Poco F1 looks better. As I already said, Sony Xperia XZ3 has only one camera sensor on the back. This is 19-megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. The same model is used in XZ Premium and many other Sony phones. On the front panel, there is 13-megapixel sensor with f1.9 aperture. Poco F1 has dual rear camera with 12 and 5-megapixel sensor. The front camera has 20-megapixel sensor. I already saw images from both phones, and to be honest, I cannot say which one is better. Poco F1 has portrait mode and very good selfies, but Xperia XZ3 uses different AI functions, 4K video recording and even HDR. I cannot choose a winner, so both phones receive by 1 point from me. Sony Xperia XZ3 is equipped with 3300 mAh battery with fast charging support, Quick Charge 3.0. Xiaomi Poco F1 has 4000 mAh battery with the same fast charging technology. I believe the Xiaomi phone has longer battery life because it comes with Full HD display, not 2K, and bigger battery. Finally, the price. Without any doubt, Xiaomi Poco F1 is a winner in this category because it is more than twice cheaper Xperia XZ3. Moreover, Poco F1 is much cheaper than many other flagships in 2018, such as Xiaomi Mi 8, OnePlus 6, etc. The basic model of Poco F1 starts from $300, while the official price of Xperia XZ3 is $800. Of course, the price will be the main factor when choosing between these phones. However, our comparison shows that Poco F1 is better. It is much cheaper, has bigger battery, good cameras, and latest Snapdragon 845 chipset. Among main advantages of Xperia XZ3 is premium glass design and amazing 2K display. If you had $1,000, what smartphone would you buy? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.